So we are chapter 6, section 3. This is parallelograms. So let me get my colors out actually. Okay. So we know what a parallelogram looks like. You've seen it in elementary school. And you know what I need to do? Make it larger because I'm going to draw on this shape. Okay, the definition of a parallelogram. Parallel sides. A quadrilateral, I'm just going to put a quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. The top and the bottom lines are parallel. The left and the right lines are parallel. Parallel is this symbol here, like a little arrow. And I'll do 2 arrows on this one. That means parallel lines, right? We've seen that before. So then, number 1, some other things that we need to know about parallelograms. The opposite sides are congruent. Okay, so opposite sides are congruent. I'll mark it like this. A little line for the top and the bottom, and then a double line for the sides there. Okay, opposite sides are congruent. Opposite angles are congruent. Opposite angles are congruent. Okay, that's going to be like this angle and this angle. And I could do a double angle here for this and this. Okay. Now, the top angle, upper left and upper right. Upper left and upper right, those two add up to 180. They're like same side interior, right? Here, top right, bottom right, same side interior. So basically, I can say consecutive angles, the angles right after one another are supplementary. Consecutive angles are supplementary. I can't really draw that on the shape, sorry. Number 4, last one, I can do this one. This diagonal bisects this diagonal. They form 2 equal parts. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Okay.
Ms. Grant, can you explain consecutive angles are supplementary again?
Yeah.
I'm not quite getting it.
These 2 angles right in a row, this angle and this angle, if you put them together, they're same side interior, they make 180 degrees. They're consecutive, they're right after one another. I can also say that these are consecutive. Aren't they right in a row next to each other? They make 180. I can also say that these are consecutive. They make 180, same side interior. These are consecutive. They're side by side, same side interior, 180 degrees. That's what I mean by consecutive. All right. On these, I'm not going to be able to get through every single example. Like, for example, I skipped number 6 in my other class. I'll probably do that in this one because I have to get it all through the backside as well, you know? Okay, number 1. I'm going to go through and I'm going to mark up the shape everything I know because I need to practice applying all of these rules for the parallelograms. Number 1, I'm going to mark it up. That's what I call it. 15, its opposite side is also 15. True? 8, its opposite side is also 8. Okay, then the 68. Hey, remember we just talked about consecutive. What's 68 and A? What's A plus D? A plus D. 180 minus 68. That means that A is 112. They're same side interior. I'm going to switch to mechanical pencil because I need to write super small right now. Opposite angles are congruent. So I have found these two, the opposite angles, 68, 112. Okay. Good, good, good. Now I can easily fill in number 1 with everything. So help me out. AD is what?
8.
Yes, it is. DC is what?
15.
DC is 15. Measure of angle A. I already wrote it.
112.
Job. 112 degrees. Please put the degree sign. Measure of angle B. Logan.
68 degrees.
68 degrees. Measure of angle C. 112. Easy. Let's do number 2. Okay. Again, mark up what you know, just looking at it. 21 and 21. Opposite sides are congruent. 29 and 29. 127 and 127. Opposite angles are congruent. But supplementary angles, like M and L, those are consecutive. So I'm going to do 180 minus 127. 53 degrees is M. That means that K is 53 degrees. I can literally fill in all of them now. Everything is done for me. And I practiced going through all of my properties, so it just like makes it stick in my brain. J, 127 degrees. K, 53 degrees. M, 53 degrees. Number 3. Questions so far in 1 and 2. All right. Diagonals bisect each other. If this is 7, this is 7. The diagonals bisect each other, 7 and 7. Look at this asterisk. RT equals 30. The whole line is 30. And if it's bisected, half and half, right? Half of 30. 15 and 15. Well, RU is 18, so ST must be 18. RS is 27, so UT must be 27. Now you can fill them all in. Go ahead, fill them all in. The measure of UT, 27. Ah. The measure of ST, 18. Volunteer, tell me VS, please. VS, someone?
7.
Connor, 7. Somebody tell me VT.
15.
15. Good. Okay, this one's actually a little bit different. We haven't talked about anything like this before on number 4. We're going to do it now. Parallelograms have parallel lines in them. Parallelograms have same side interior. Parallelograms have alternate interior angles. And the reason I say alternate interior is because I get to do some alternate interior angles right now. If I have this line and this line, 21 and this are alternate interior angles. See that lower of D, the lower portion of D? That's 21. The 71 is here, which means the 71 is also here. Let me zoom in. Okay. Well, guys, I need to talk to you about FED is 134. FED, that means angle E. The whole big angle E is 134. Okay, great. Well, if FED is 134, that means that angle E plus angle F equal 180 because they are consecutive. Okay. So I want to find out how big, if this whole thing is 134, 71 plus what makes 134? Someone must have done it. You've already helped Kenneth like yesterday. New people, guys. The whole angle E is 134. 71 of it is already taken. What's left? Oh my gosh, you guys. Are you with me? Are you with me or are you against me? What's going on? The whole angle E is 134. 71 of it's already used up. What's this little dot right there? Emily?
63.
63. Thank you. Which means this up here is 63, that little one, alternate interior angles. Now, I also talked about the measure of angle F plus the measure of angle E equaling 180 because they are consecutive angles. So I've got angle E, 134 degrees, plus angle F. Well, I already know 21 of it. Plus 21 plus X. We don't know what this guy is right here. The lower portion under 21, we don't know that. So I've got 180 minus 134 minus 21, 25 is down here. Which means 25 is right here. Now you can fill in all of the answers for number 4. DEC. Oh, I got that one. It's 63, right? So anybody have any questions on how I got what I got? I used alternate interior angles and I used consecutive angles are supplementary.
Miss Grant,
Yep.
which ones are consecutive angles again?
Like the giant angle D and E. They're right next to each other, right? They go in order. E and F, they're consecutive. F and C, they're consecutive. And C and D, they're consecutive.
Okay, thank you.
So CDE, the whole thing, 25 plus 21, 25 plus 21, 46 degrees. Measure of angle ECD, ECD, 71 degrees. Measure of angle DFE, DFE, 25 degrees. So sometimes I'm told about angles, sometimes I'm told about diagonals, sometimes I'm told about sides. Every parallelogram is going to be different. On number 5 now, XY equals 15, right? WX equals 22. So I'm just filling in, which means that this is 15 and this is 22 because they're opposite sides. ZX equals 32. Ooh, the whole thing. ZX is the whole diagonal, but it's bisected. What's half of 32?
16.
Yeah, so I'm going to do 16 and 16. Then WZY is 62. WZY. The whole thing is 62. I don't know each part. I'm not going to say that they're 31 and 31. No, no, no. We can't do that. The whole thing of angle Z is 62. WXT, WXT, this little one is just 27 up here. Let's look at opposite angles real quick before I even go any further. If this whole thing is 62, it is opposite angle right here. If this is 62, this whole thing is 62. 27 of it is already spoken for. What's this lower portion right here? What's this lower portion then? 62 is opposite angles with this. That means that angle X, all of the angle X adds up to 62. Okay. But 27 of it's already been used up on this top. So what's the leftover on the bottom angle? What do I do?
35.
27 minus, yes. $35, right? Okay. Last thing it was told, ZWT is 77. ZWT 77. Okay, you guys, let me draw a little shape out. This is Z. This is W. This whole thing is 62, and this little one is 77. What's this question mark? These are consecutive angles. Z and W make 180. I've got a 62 plus a 77 plus I don't know. What's this little part right here? 62 plus 77 plus I don't know. Same side interior, W and Z. Connor, you've already helped me. What's up with the people that never volunteer? Guess what? Let's do it. Taylor. Hi. I've got two angles that make up 180. So far, I've got a 62 degrees And then I've got a 77 degrees, 62 plus 77 plus I don't know equals 180. How do I figure out the I don't know? Taylor. Taylor C. I can mark you absent if you don't respond because that means you're oh, hi. And now she's gone. Okay. Absent. Hold on, I have to write a note. Guys, this is not like funny. Mia.
I subtracted 62 and 77 from 180.
Thank
got
you.
41.
41?
Yes.
Okay. That means that this little piece right here is 41. If I were to do alternate interior angles, this is 41 and this is 77. Okay. So now I can literally go through everything is done. ZW, 15. In this, you guys, we have to hustle. ZY. Z, where is it now? ZY. Oh, 22, right? TX, 16. Yep. WY, 20. Simra, you want to volunteer? You can help me with these over here.
I'm not sure what it is.
Okay. TZY, TZY. It's this lower angle. Oh, alternate interior angles, 35 and 27. 27 is down here. 35 degrees is up here. Okay. TZY, 27 degrees. XYZ. XYZ is 41 plus 77 added together. 41 plus 77 added together. 108. Oh, Yi Lee, Yi Cheng. I know that's not what I call you. What is it?
Well, it's Luke.
Oh, hi. You're new.
It's 118.
Okay, thank you. XWT. XWT 41. We did that one. And then XYT. This little one right here was 77. Okay. All right, so I need to skip number 6. We just, yeah, we need to go. We gotta go. Okay. On number 7, opposite sides are congruent, which means that 9x minus 25 is equal to 5x plus 7. And then you just solve for x. That's easy, right? Subtract 5x. 4x minus 25 equals 7. Add 25. 4x equals, oh, 25. Sorry. Like something is wrong. 32. Divide by 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8. Okay. Check this out. Number 9. We're skipping 8. Time is short. TV is 74. You guys, if it's 74, what is it bisected? What's half of 74?
37.
37.
37. Okay.
Miss Grant,
Yeah.
can you go back up just a little bit?
Yep. And then it says WV is 4x plus 1. So I know that 4x plus 1 is the same as this 37. So go ahead. And subtract 1. Just solve for x. Right? Easy. X equals 9. Okay. 11. Opposite angles are congruent. Go ahead. I'll press pause on the video because it'll take, and you guys do it on your own. So check this out. If x equals 13, I need to plug, let's do C and B. C and B are 180 when you add them because they're consecutive. 4, or I'll do it over here. 4 times 13 plus 11. That's the angle C. 4 times 13 plus 11. 52 plus 11, 63. 63 plus something equals 180. 63 plus something, angle B equals 180. No, Connor, you've already helped this week. Shikang.
117.
Good, because 180 minus 63 is 117. Angle B, the measure of angle B equals 117 degrees. Good job. So 13. Measure of angle KLH is 134. KLH. This whole thing is 134. Well, I really should find like what the next consecutive angle is. Because this 4x plus 9 is alternate interior angles with this. But I don't know what that is. See how 4x plus 9 is alternate interior angles with this one right here? So 25 plus I don't know plus 134 equals 180. 180 minus 134 minus 25, 21. So x equals 21. Oh. Which means that 4x plus 9 equals 21. Let me make sure that 21, yeah. Four x plus 9 equals 21. 4x equals 12. Okay, x equals 3. That one was difficult. I had to find the alternate interior missing angle. It was 21. Okay.
We have a quick question. I didn't see this before. How'd you get that x for 25 plus x plus 134?
I subtracted 180 minus 134 minus 25. It ended up being 21.
Oh, okay. So that was the missing angle then?
This and this, they're consecutive.
Okay.
Yeah, they make 180. Okay. All right. Let me stop the recording.